YouTube, this is Baldur coming at you with another video. Today's video I wanted to teach you how to play as literally anything Baldur's Gate 3. It's a lot easier than you think, and it works by changing what you have as your familiar. So like you can swap out like the cat or the spider or whatever familiar you want with literally any NPC or creature in the game, including dragons, mind flayers, intellect devourers, whatever you can think of, all with their abilities and everything that they normally come with. I just figured this out tonight. I was just playing around. I kind of like this strategy to play as monsters more than creating races because it's a little more complicated to create race. And say you're like halfway through a playthrough and suddenly maybe you want to start playing as a different monster. Well, if you did it through the race method, you're going to have to start a new game to play as a different monster. But with this method, you literally just swap out one thing in a file and every time you summon whatever familiar, it's going to be whatever monster you want it to be. Alright, so before we get started, you need to get these two tools. I will put these in the video description below. It's the Larian Exporter tool, and you also need Agent Ransack. Alright, so to get started, when you have them downloaded, you're going to go into the Larian Exporter tool, and you're going to have a file called converter app.executable. You're going to want to open that up. And then I already have mine configured, you probably don't. So what you're going to want to do for the package path, you want to hit the three little dots, the ellipses. And you're going to want to select shared.pack in your Baldur's Gate 3 directory under data. So go under your main Baldur's Gate 3 directory under the data folder, and you're going to see all your pack files. We're looking for shared.pack. You're going to double click that. And then for the destination path, you're going to go under wherever it is. For me, it's the D drive, your Steam directory with Baldur's Gate in it. CMaps, Common, Baldur's Gate 3, Data. And you're going to want to create a new folder in there called Modding. And you're going to want to extract it there. Then you're going to hit Extract Package. And that's going to unpack the shared.pack file. Might take a minute. Normally mine goes a little faster, but right now I'm in the middle of copying Baldur's Gate 3 from my work laptop over to my phone so that I can play it on my gaming PC at home. Because honestly, the graphics are kind of bunk on my gaming laptop, and it looks a lot better on my gaming PC. So it's going to take a minute. And it's going to unload everything. While it's doing that, you can go ahead and start navigating to where it's being extracted to. And what we're looking for, you're going to go under where you're extracting it. It's creating two folders, mods and public. What is happening? Well, my computer just hiccuped there. That was kind of crazy. All right, so you're going to go under public. You're going to go under shared. And then you're going to go under stats, generated, data. And we're looking at spell target. Okay, so it's going to say it extracted successfully. You can just go ahead and I'm going to leave it open for now, make it easier later. You're going to go under spell target. And you can just open up in Notepad if it asks you what you want to open it with. Mine's already set up for that. And then you're going to want to press Control F and you're going to want to type in familiar. Okay. So you found target, find familiar. And then you have all your different familiar summons right down here. So we'll start at the top. We'll do with cat, right? So you're going to want, what I did to try and figure out where all these root templates were coming from is I just went copy, and that's where Agent Ransack comes in. This tool basically lets you search for text in any number of files in like a folder. So you're going to want to look in wherever you have extracted shared.pack. Again, for me, it's Baldur's Gate 3/data/modding. You're going to want to copy and paste this root template GUID of the cat, for example, and you're going to want to click start. And that's going to tell you what file it came from, what it's referencing. It's going to show you every instance of that GUID in any of the files that we just extracted from shared.pack. And so it's searching. It's going to see what it comes up with, and it should be two files, maybe three. I think it's just two though. Alright, so obviously spell.target, spell/target, which is the file we already have open, but then it came from merged, under the root templates folder. So you're going to want to open this. And what I did is I'm like, okay, so we know it came from there. So I press Control F in here and I copied the GUID and then click Find Next. And boom, look, there it is. Cat familiar summon. So basically every creature and NPC in the game, I realized, is referenced in this file. I think most of them are in this file. There might be some in other files. But, I found everything I was looking for here. So let's go ahead and for this example, we're going to do, I did the Minotaur and Intellect Devourer already. I kind of want to do the Imp. Let's just see, like, Imp. Well, no, Imp's already in the game as playable. I want to go ahead and I don't know. Screw it. Let's do Intellect Devourer again. I can't think of all the monsters right now. So you're going to want to type in Intellect Devourer. And maybe I'm an idiot. Oh wait, because it uses underscores. So intellect, I'm just going to type intellect. Okay, so it's going to start listing every instance. This is light NPC unique Intellect Devourer. So I think this is the one named Us that you find at the beginning of the game. This one is Intellect Devourer Beast Red. I don't know what one that is. Intellect Devourer, that's just a regular Intellect Devourer. Let's go ahead and grab this code right here. That's the GUID. And really all we have to do is we have to switch back over to spell target right here. You're going to want to paste that there and then this line right here. Boom. That's it. I think there's probably a way to change the name of the spell as it appears in game. Like to make it say maybe Find Familiar Intellect Devourer, but like I don't really know how to do that. So it's still going to say cat, but when you cast it, it's going to summon an Intellect Devourer, and that's complete with its abilities. I noticed that it had the Claw Attack ability, and it also had the Devour Intellect ability earlier when I did it. So you're just going to want to save it, and that's really it. That's all you have to do. Now all you have to do is pack the file back up, and so you're going to want to go back to this tool, the Larian Exporter tool, and to pack it, you're just going to go to the folder that you had it unpacked in, which should be the Steam library, common Baldur's Gate data modding. And you're just going to click OK. And then you're going to save it over shared.pack. You're just going to select shared.pack in your main Baldur's Gate 3 data. That's all you have to do. You just click create package. And again, I would show you, but like I'm literally running the game on low on this laptop and it still lags. And I don't even know if Bandicam is capable of capturing my screen while I have a game running. I literally just started using this not too long ago. But that's basically all you have to do. And you're good to go. Have fun. I mean, there's a lot of different monsters in the game you can try this with. I'm looking forward to trying some crazy stuff. But that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please like the video, and if you're interested in more gaming or modding videos, just subscribe to the channel, and that way you don't miss anything.